Test, test. Hello. All right, another day, another dollar. Let's get it. Let's get these. Let's count these pips. Let's get them. Let's get them. Update. An update on the FTMO journey. I got 2 accounts refunded for different reasons. FTMO in Australia, they sort of had to change to someone else, and I was like, nah. I'm not that happy. I don't want to change over to this other company. So I asked them to refund me, and they did. So I now have 2 refunded accounts. So now I've just got to think about where I'm going to go with it. So I'm thinking of going to, what is it? Funded Trading Plus. Hang on. Pull them up. There. Not that. Where are we? These guys. These guys. Go away. You know, and I'd be looking to get either that or that. But, you know, 50K, and this would essentially be the account that I'd be using. And what's cool about it is it's straight in this program anyway. This Master Trader program is straight into funded. So I'd pay that and I get the 50K. Now, what's important though is once you get over, I think it's 6%. Yep. Once you get over 6% in profit of the account, then your limit cannot go under the original account size. So for example, if I got this 50K and if I trade my way up to 6%, from there, even if I withdraw money, I can't go back down to 50. So if I go from 50 and I go up to 56, if I withdraw if I withdraw 3 of that 6 that I've traded, that means my limit, I've only got 3K of drawdown to play with. So the limit, the number, the value cannot go under the starting account once you hit that 6%. But yeah, the idea here would be if I get to 10%, I believe at 10%, I need to double check, but I think at 10% they refund the... Let's see. I wonder if they refund. No. I can't remember where I saw it, but apparently that they might refund the... if you get to 10%, they refund the payment account. The account that you pay for. You know what? Let's ask them. Let's ask them. Chat, no. Name. Hello, if I reach 10% profit of my master account, does the initial payment get refunded with the first payout? Let's see. Sorry, I don't understand. Okay. Sure. Let's see what Desmond thinks. Let's see what Desmond thinks then, eh? It is bloody hot. It is bloody hot. I wonder if they get these. They probably do. Hello, Desmond. I'll turn this on. Does that help? Is that better? I think that's better. I think that feels better. Sure, why not? That can be better. Oh, okay, it's not on there. Okay, cool. Okay, no problem. Thank you for your information. Whoa! Didn't mean to do that. Okay, no worries. Thank you for letting me know. Cool. See ya. Yep. See you, buddy. Is this like yes? Yes, it was. Thumbs up. Well done, everyone. Done. See you later, Des. Well done, buddy. Help me out. Cool. So that doesn't come back. So at that point, I just want to hit. Okay, so if I was to do this, I just want to be getting over 6%. And having that as the buffer, and then only get withdrawals down to that 6% level. So say I trade up to 7%, I only withdraw 1% and keep the 6% as a buffer. I think that's how I got to do it. That's how I would have to do it. Yeah, that's how I would do it. So I just trade up to 6% and go, cool, now I'm set. That's 0. And then away you go. But anyway, let's do some analysis. Ooh, gold. That would have been a nice little buy right there. Anyway, gold. Let's do some analysis then. Let's go the higher time frames. The monthly. What's the monthly doing? Monthly nearly took out the wick. Nearly filled the wick. Already, we are 2 days into the monthly. And it's already filling the wick. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. Daily. What's the doubt? Daily's looking to potentially flip all the way up there. So it looks like it may have made its bottom wick for the daily to then flip and drive. Let's have a look at on the 30. This 30 is a nice strong bullish closer on the on the 30 and on the 15, but you got this level and this level. Look, the ideal entry would have been on the break of this 15. This was the ideal entry right there. That. You get the flip and the break, and then you go set this under maybe there. I'd go under there-ish. And go, yep, off you go and have it. Yeah, you'd be looking there. What's that? It's a 15 pips so far. What is that? Where's 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is about there. That's the cheeky little 1-to-1. But even then, it wouldn't be that, would it? You'd probably put it. You should put it at the bottom of this week. Is where your stop should be. There. That's what you should have. And you look for that. Well, I mean, you'd be looking for this. Oh, that's a strong level. Yeah, you'd be looking for that there. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. Here are our levels on the 30 and the 15. As we're looking at it, this is our little cheeky little range we got. It found support. We'll see how this closes. That's confirming a support. And then if it makes a nice bottom wick, it goes up, but it's in this range. How big is the range? There, Jesus, 80 pip range. Far out. Huge. That's bloody huge, that is. So right now, we're trading personal capital. Right? Where's my water? We're trading personal capital. And it's not much. It's like 180 bucks. Just a little nothing I had in there. I remember I withdrew it ages ago. And it didn't come through properly, but now it didn't come through properly. And then it went back. And now it's there. So now it's here at the lads at old Dominion Markets. But yeah, I'm really considering getting this. Really considering getting that. So 1% of 50k is $500. If the target is 1% a week, we're looking for 1% a week. That's. I'm gonna update this. Yep. Yeah. Say the target's 1% a week, which is phenomenal, which is really good. It's what, 500 bucks a week, USD. Considering I'd probably go with the split and then the conversion to Aussie, it's probably about the same. It's probably about the same. But yeah, with this account, because I need to really focus on the mental game and the mental side and what's going on upstairs, what's going on up here, I really need to focus on like these percentage gains. They're really small percentage gains, right? So for example, let's get the old calculator up, the trusty calculator app, okay? Give me, yeah, scientific. Whoa. Does that do anything? No. Standard. Yeah, standard, I guess. Does this do anything? No, I want like one. Oh, one over 0 anyway. Okay, cool. Sweet. We're fine. What is it? 6.43 is what we've got for the month so far. Okay, for the month. Now it's 231.62. Take away 6.43. Okay, and then we divide that by 6.43, and then we go 1 over, and then we times by 100. So today and yesterday, we're at 2.85%. Now I said I'm targeting 1% a week. In theory, how I should play this is that I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Okay, now that's just these past 2 days. If I actually look at the week, I've had a really good week in terms of monetary value, right? So we made 45 point, where is it? Here, 45.14. So if we do that sum again, 231.62, take away 45.14, divided by 45.14, and we go 1 over, and then we times 100. So it made 24% gain this week so far. Excuse me. 24% gain this week. So right now, what I should be doing and how I should be looking at it, how I should be looking at the market is, unless it is screaming at me, unless it is like begging me and it goes, brother, we are obviously going this direction, jump in for a teeny tiny, then I'll do it. Then I'll take that trade. Oh, GJ's flying. And GJ flying. What's Bitcoin doing? Consolidating, sitting at what, 61? Anyway, gold. Now, do we take this flip? Let's paper trade this. Why would I take this flip? It's the day and today's day and the session. Well, I mean, what are we in? We're still not into New York. So New York tends to go the other way of London. So that's just from seeing it a fair bit, right? Is what we're looking at. If we're looking at the technicals, it's an obvious downtrend, right? It's obviously going down. What can we add? Where's the little drawing tool? The little point thing. Little arrows. You guys know the one I'm on about. You guys? No one's in there. Someone's in here. You know what I'm talking about. The little, the drawing thing. Where is it? That? No, path. Oh, I was up here. Okay. Yeah, the idea is, look, if we go, we've got a high, a low, a high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Is this now a higher low? Is this now the change in structure? Right here. Can we hide this? Is it that? No. This. Oh, wait, where is it? Hide was in there. Silly goose. Hide. So as you look at that by itself, if this is the structure that's happening right now, is that we've had a high, and like it's obviously bearish. Now, this point here is where the market is at right now. Is this going to continue down to make another lower low and continue this bearish trend? Or is it going to hold here and then break the trend and actually, is that going to do it? No. And actually then come up and then start going upwards? Or is it going to continue down? Right? That's sort of where we're at. Because that's the point we're at right here. We've made this low. Are we going to continue and make a new low? Or are we going to hold and have this be our new higher low? Because you've got a low and then a higher low and then make a new higher high. A new high. So it's sort of it doesn't know which way to go, really. It doesn't know which way to go. Because this was the daily open. It was what, here? That was the daily open. No top wick on the daily. So we've still got a top wick to make on the daily, considering yesterday, strong bullish. Like, that's bullish engulfing. The body nearly engulfed the full, like, nearly took out even the wick. Like, that's strong bullish. But all we can do right now, I think, is just sort of wait and see. Just wait and see. To see if it's going to continue this session downtrend, or this is the bottom week for the daily to then go up. We'll find that out in the New York session, because New York session is the session that has the most, what was it? Out of the sessions that make the top and bottom wick in the same session, New York session does that the most out of New York, Asian, and London. Obviously, because it's the most volatile. But yeah, so what, again, it's all speculative. So what New York could do is it could open, make a steeper bottom wick, and then go, all right, maybe hold this level. Maybe hold that level. Yeah. It looks like it was a previous resistance and then became a support, and we find that support again. Maybe it comes down and holds this level, and then you get up and make that top wick. But again, this is all speculative. This is all speculative. All we can do is wait and watch and see what happens. Is really all we can do. I could paper trade this, right? and take... So what would my target be? If we get this flip. What's the 1 hour doing? See, even the 1 hour, like the structure is all downwards. I feel like it's against the session trend and against... Well, I mean, no, just against the session trend because we're going down. But yeah. Now we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait and wait and wait and wait. And sit here and ramble and, I don't know, make up questions and ask them and yeah. And that's it. It's sort of, that's how we see it. It's how I see it. If anyone sees it different, please let me know. Yep. So yeah, that's sort of where I think it could go. It could move. It could do something. But again, we're just making liquidity for news, and we'll see what this does. Where is it here? This I'm gonna make this weekly. This week. Apply. Because here in Australia, mate, and she's a bit late in the day. So do we have news? So we've got, this is the big one, obviously. ADP non-farm employment change. The previous was 99, and they're forecasting it to be higher. Actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So from, is it last month? September, yeah. Is it last month? September 5th, that is maybe the August one. The July one. Because, wait, I'm confused there. Why is that there? Estimated change in number of employees over the previous month. Yeah, it is, yeah, month on month. That's weird that came up there. Revised from, oh, look at these revisions. So it was 122 and it got revised lower. Revised 150, okay, that went higher. A little bit higher. These revisions are weird. I didn't get it. Damn. Are the numbers not the numbers? Anyway, whatever. Maybe the numbers are not the numbers. Maybe I'm thinking too much about it. Maybe it's not that deep. Anyway, we're looking at this. This is the news event. Is that an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of the government released employment data, and it's designed to mimic. Right. Okay. So yeah, 10:15. So that's the next. That's 15 minutes after the hour. So wherever you are, 15 minutes after the hour. And right now, I've got my little itty bitty account. Itty bitty account that we're growing. We're growing. Slowly growing. Teeny tiny. We're growing. Messing about. You know, growing. While we do that, I'm going to do some editing on the other side. Do some cheeky editing. Okay, what can we do? Oh. Maybe. So yeah, where is it? We paper trade. If we're going to paper trade the week fill, how big is the week fill? 10 pips. Yeah. I guess that'd be the entry. That'd be the stop loss. 14 pips. 10 pip would be stop loss at break even. Nah. Again, nah. You know, don't take it. You don't take it. Don't take it. Don't be silly. Don't force it. don't force it, because clicking means you're losing. So that means when you do have to click, you gotta know it's gonna be a winner. So clicking equals losing. So don't click too much, means you're gonna lose too much. Okay? That's the idea. Clicking equals losing. So don't click, don't overtrade. Like we all have, like I have, over and over and over again. And the whole reason while I'm doing this is to keep myself accountable. So I can look back and be like, oh, you did this wrong, you did that wrong. This is my public journal to all of my fans. I can do all this tomorrow, can't I? And we just wait. We just watch and wait and wait and watch and watch and wait and wait and watch. And that's it. Weight Watchers. We watch wait. What I can do, I can have this very loud pork crackling. Because you've always on that carnival. I only eat things that have a face on it. At least right now. Or at least I'm trying to. Just trying to get rid of the carbs. Carbs are bad. Oh, I feel like this is so loud. Hang on. Okay, we're back. We got this loud as crackling. I want to hear how loud this is on the old stream. Okay. Whoop. Back.